It is Friday the 13th, 2026, March 13th, 2026. It's about 9:20 a.m. A little late to the party. We're currently looking at an H1 time frame. Looking at the trade, I ended up taking the trade just above the 51.81 yesterday, currently down about $70. I did take a smaller lot yesterday, really based on the support and resistance from here. Price closing below the 20 and the 50, and actually closing above the 20 and 50 from March 6th. I found that this is respectful, a strong level of support and resistance. Have a good stop loss down here at just below 5,000. Yesterday, price did break below yesterday's low, which was a nice move to the downside. Missed that trade, and I wasn't really looking for any shorts because I'm only looking for buys as part of my method on gold. It really keeps me out of positions. Gold has been trending for the last year on the upside, and so just really focusing on taking longs only. I did have a position in this 23.6 range that failed to open, a couple bucks off, but no big deal. And so today I'm just waiting for gold to either go above the 51.30, this pink box up here. I would like to see it retest, so close above and then be able to retest the 51.30 and possibly see it retest this week's high, 52.40. Let's see if we get that move in the next hour or so. I really like that price created a low yesterday and it retested that low and failed to close below the low today. Anything's possible in the next 30 minutes or so. Let's see what the markets and price has in store for us today. But I'm still optimistic on the upside. When we look at this on the 4-hour time frame, price is still trending on the upside, and so still have a nice trend line up. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. This was a Friday. This was a Friday. This is Sunday, and ultimately. Actually, this is not a Friday. This is a Friday. This is a Friday up, a Friday up, Friday up. So each of these lines represent a full week. So this is a full week, a full week. So higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Ultimately, looking for price to finish strong in an upward movement. Just let's see where price goes. I also on this account I decided to trade some support and resistance on gold on the lower time frame. I did take some trades here when price retested yesterday's low, and that's where these profits came from, $382. And so I'm gonna keep everything really simple, transparent. This account is really for me and my own process. If anyone learns anything or anyone has questions, feel free to reach out. But really, this account is my own, just my own account, like a journal, reflecting on the past, reflecting why I took trades. For the longest time, I was just like, no, I'll never do YouTube. I'll never do recordings. But I feel like, everything's possible. It's great to reflect. It's great to see things. And it's a great time to trade gold and have an opportunity to trade gold, especially the ability to do it. And so I'm fascinated in the process. And, if someone can learn something through consistency or through asking questions, feel free. That's how I learn too, by other people pointing things out or you should try this or you should try that. And I'm open to listen, but ultimately I'm just trying to be really consistent, taking these trades and just focusing. So definitely looking for price to retest this high. If it's this week or if it's next week, the market might just be might consolidate into next week. I wouldn't be surprised. But if we do see a push to the upside, close above 51.30, pull back to 51.30, I will add a second position to the upside. And if price continues to make a lower low this week or before the end of the week, I'll continue to hold this position. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week and see myself next week, just continuing this process. Ultimately, I'll probably do an everyday for the next 14 days. Since this account is active for 14 days, I plan to just do a daily update before 1700. And so it's kind of like a trading journal of gold. See how much money I can make on this account, and I will be the goal would be to fire up a prop firm challenge and record the process. I'm just really interested to reflect and to just document the process. It's very interesting. So have a great weekend, and be grateful for everything. Be grateful for life. I'm grateful for everything, and it's just it keeps me super happy. So thanks.